Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to permanently delete LinkedIn account. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC or open a mobile phone application that is LinkedIn's application and make sure you're logged in with your credentials on that account. Now, after logging in, you will see the LinkedIn's dashboard where you'll have to first of all click on your profile icon at the top right or the me icon. Then you will see some options from which you'll have to choose settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, it will open up this page, that is account preferences page. Now on this page, you'll have to simply scroll down at the bottom. So make sure you are under account preferences. Then you'll have to scroll down and under account management, you get two options, hibernate account or close account. So you also get the option to temporarily disable your account. Hibernating your account deactivates your account temporarily. You can reactivate it anytime after 24 hours by logging back in. Now, if you simply want to delete your account permanently, you'll have to make sure that you choose close account button. When you click on close account, it will say, are you sure you want to close your account? You will lose your connections, messages, endorsements and recommendations. Click on continue button and it will ask the reason for closing your account. So choose any one of these. Click on next. Now on this step, you'll have to basically enter your password in order to close your account. After entering your password, you can unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communications by choosing this button. Enter your password, click on done. Now when you click on done, your account will be permanently closed on LinkedIn. So that is how you permanently delete LinkedIn account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.